I'm here at Royal Marina Yacht Club in Thailand, and I'm going to do a short video showing you how to easily fit your ratchet block. Okay, we're going to show you how to fit a ratchet block, and I love using the Harken 369 rubber boot. It avoids rope getting stuck in a spring, so this replaces a spring, and it's also easier to fit. And tip number one is to help fit it is to compress the rubber boot using some tie wraps like these. You want the wide part of the boot at the bottom. These are quite neat tie wraps in that they're reusable, so at the end of fitting it you don't need to cut them off. So you're going to use 3 tie wraps, pull it tight and compress the rubber boot. So let's remove the shackle from the ratchet block. Another tip here is to stop this falling down when you're trying to fit the ratchet block. Put something underneath, such as a piece of bungee or a bit of main sheet or something. That'll keep the shackle from falling down. Put the rubber boot over the top. The other thing I like is the spring cup. This makes the block rotate easier and stops the block from sinking into the rubber boot. So that goes between the block and the rubber boot. This is the fiddly bit. Okay, that's the split ring fitted. Now, these are quite unique cable ties. They're reusable, so you don't need to cut them off. All you do is push the little tab and pull. And you can reuse them again. And you'll find them along with everything else on the South East Suburbs website. And there are links at the end of the video.